Hi guys! Another unboxing day again mga kabudol. I'd order Fendi bar chain from the shop of Marigold. So, I will do unboxing. Every day may order si Madam nyo na gold jewelry. So, this is what on my list. This Fendi bar pendant. So, hindi ko talaga siya tinigilan hanggang hindi ko siya na-purchase. So, maganda yung packaging nila ngayon, ha? So, this was it. May box na rin. Ooh! And then I have this kind of freebies. Hindi ko na siya bibilhin. Getting it from my pocket. I like it. Since mahilig ako magpuyod-puyod ng Sanrio. And then, as in another sealed one. Mini box. So, yeah, red na red. So, ito siya, yung Fendi bar pendant. So, yan siya. I like my purchase. Thank you for watching my unboxing, guys. Love lots.